In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make super long Discord videos. If you've ever tried sending a large video file on Discord and received a message saying that your file exceeds the upload limit, you're not alone. Standard Discord accounts have file size limits, and you may see a prompt suggesting a Nitro subscription for larger uploads. However, there's another way to share longer videos without sending the file directly through Discord. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that by using a video hosting website that allows your video to be embedded when you share the link. To get started, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, and head to your favorite search engine. Search for Imgur, then open the official Imgur website. This service lets you upload media and share it using a link, making it a convenient option for videos that are too large to upload directly through Discord. Once you're on the Imgur homepage, look for the New Post button near the top left corner and click it. You'll then be prompted to add your media. Select your video file or drag and drop it into the upload area. Imgur will immediately begin uploading the video. As the upload progresses, you may see an option to keep the video's audio. If you want the audio to remain part of the video, simply leave that option enabled. One convenient feature is that you don't need to create an account just to upload and share your video, making the process quick and straightforward. After the upload finishes, you'll need to copy the sharing link for your video. You can do this by copying the URL from your browser's address bar or by selecting the Get Link option on the page if it's available. Either method gives you a shareable link that points directly to your uploaded video. Now return to Discord and open the server, channel, or direct message where you'd like to share the video. Click inside the message box, paste the link you copied from Imgur, and send it just like you would any other message. After a brief moment, Discord will process the link and display an embedded preview of the video. Anyone who has access to the conversation can view the embedded video directly from Discord without needing the original file to be uploaded through the platform. And that's all there is to it. By uploading your video to Imgur and sharing the generated link, you can easily share videos that would otherwise exceed Discord's standard upload limits without relying on a larger direct file upload. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,